Let me show you everything I ordered on Amazon 2 weeks prior to this bachelorette trip I'm going on. I've just been making orders like crazy because it's such a busy time and I have this trip coming up next week. So these are just all the things I've ordered, like things I know I'm gonna need. I haven't had time to go through, I've just been putting them all in this box. So the first thing that I got are these little teeny tiny scissors. Whenever I'm traveling, I always have a tag or even like fake hair if I'm wearing fake hair or something that I need to snip, and I never have scissors. So teeny tiny pair of scissors, that's just gonna go in my travel bag. This is an instant tan, self tan, so I will get a spray tan before my trip, but it always comes off my face because I'm washing my face over and over again. This one is an instant tan, so like if I'm going out, I spray this and my face is instantly tan with a bronzer. Now I didn't realize it was gonna be so big, and I'm not checking a bag actually, so I can't even bring that. Foot pedal strap cushions. This is like little tape that you can put on your heels to help grip because I'm going to be wearing lacy stockings one day and I already tried them out last week and it makes it really hard to walk in your shoes. So I'm going to try to somehow grip them. These are ball of foot cushions for the same thing. This is just to help me with my stockings. So I hope they're not too thick because I don't want them to make my shoes too tight. Blister Bliss bandages. These are like little patches because I'll be damned if my feet hurt during this trip. This is a bachelorette trip, so we're going to be going out a lot, wearing a lot of heels. Body glue. This is the viral stuff you've seen, the roll-on viral stuff for sticking your clothes instead of fashion tape. I'm thinking about when we go on the yacht party and the pool party so that we don't have no nip slips in the bathing suit. This is Arm & Hammer Power Sheet Laundry Detergent. So these are literally, they look like dryer sheets, but they're laundry. I've never used them before, but they had good reviews. This is for the Airbnb. I have OCD, so I'm going to be doing laundry at the Airbnb. That's what I love about an Airbnb is that laundry. I'm going to bring some of these strips so it'll be easy to pack and I don't have to worry about laundry detergent leaking or anything. And I can do my laundry on the trip and I do not come home with dirty clothes. I got a sticky bra. Have not even tried this on yet, but again, I knew I was probably going to need stuff like that. It attaches like this. So I think you're supposed to like tape these like over here and then pull it together and hook it in. It came with a set of little nippy covers too, so that's good. I also just got a bra. One time I was traumatized. I went on a trip to Toronto and I forgot to bring a bra because I always wear these sports bras like traveling, and I forgot to bring a bra and it was horrible. So for whatever reason that translated into me buying another bra even though I have bras. This is a strapless bra, but it also has straps to go with it. So I got a bunch of these spray Purells. I'll put one in my travel bag. I'll put one in my crossbody. And then obviously it came with more. But a mini mouthwash for my travel bag. Mini Q-tip refill for my travel bag. Mini pill case for my travel bag. Lots of medicine. Contact Rewetting drops. I thought this was going to be a mini floss, so it's kind of like a normal size, but it's expanding floss, and that's what I use. I got a mini tripod, so this is pretty small in the box, so this could work. It was really hard for me when I was looking around on Amazon for like mini tripods that were not going to be mini like desk tripods. I want something I can take and like do my TikToks and stuff, and this is a bachelorette trip, so I don't want to make the trip all about me. I'm not going to be asking people to take videos or pictures for me, but I'm going to want to do some content for my social media, so I figured if I get a mini tripod when the girls are busy, I can just kind of do my thing in the corner or something. This is a pair of purse pocket shoes. So, like foldable flat shoes for the club. So I am really good with heels, but with my bad hip and my bad knees and everything as I get older, I don't trust myself as much. So I just want to have these just in case. It'll be nice to be able to take my shoes off if I need to, because my body and the stuff I struggle with is the kind of thing that could ruin the night. Like if I can't function, that would be bad. So a mini Sensodyne Pro Enamel toothpaste for my travel bag. I'm not going to show this, but this is like it's a pair of bridal underwear for like a bridal bachelorette game that we're doing. And then these are rolls of blister tape too. So I wanted to get different kinds of blister tape in case one of them sucks. So I'll take one roll with me and I can snip this with my scissors and kind of put it wherever I want. This thing that I got here is from BAGSMART, which is sold on Amazon. It's also sold on TikTok Shop. I have a BAGSMART travel bag for my regular travel stuff, like hair stuff, toothpaste, whatever. And I wanted to get one for jewelry. So usually when I travel, I put all my jewelry in mini sandwich bags, like a mini sandwich bag for rings, a mini sandwich bag for earrings. And I'm like, I can't keep doing that. So this is a travel bag for jewelry. So like this, you snap off, slide your rings over it, snap it back on. I don't know, I'll have to look at this and see like the different options and stuff. but I like this. I think is for necklaces. Like it's got a lot in here, and when you fold it up, it's like flat, so it's not gonna take up any room really. I can put this in my thing, so I think this is gonna be a really good purchase for me. So that's everything I have in my miscellaneous like things that I purchased. If you made it to this point in the video, I want you to comment the airplane emoji. Let me know if you know of an instant tan. It has to be instant tan that's smaller than this.